Let's talk supplements. All these drugs that are considered supplements, example, evening primrose, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin D, well woman, what's this other one? Theravite woman. There are so many of them. Now, is it appropriate to take it without prescription, like because it's a vitamin or it's a supplement? You can just walk into a store and get it for whatever description that has been written on it, if it suits you. Like some people buys for glowing skin, anti-aging. Once it matches what you want, I just want to know, is it okay to take it without a prescription? Can you just walk into a pharmacy and ask for any of these mentioned supplements without a doctor's prescription? And if it is no, why will anybody just keep taking supplements for whatever reasons? You want to glow, you want to look younger, you want to have a flawless skin, then you keep downloading different types of drugs into your body, supplements into your body in the name of supplements. They call it supplements. When you complain about self-medication, once they are on these categories of drugs, they will always have one excuse or the other telling you that it's a supplement, and there is no harm in taking supplements. But I think if you are taking a medication that without any without a doctor's approval, without your doctor prescribing this for you, don't you think this medication might be interfering with something differently in your body? I once saw a doctor, I met with a doctor, and we had a conversation. He's a gynecologist. We had a conversation, and I was insisting on prescription for me. And he was like, I cannot give you any medication. I cannot prescribe anything for you because your results haven't said or suggested anything. And I was so desperate. I wanted to be on something, just to calm my curiosity. And he made one statement that sticked with me forever. I'm going to say forever because I can't just get it off my head. He said, and I quote, person, he actually made a statement in pidgin. Person wey nothing dey do am, if you give am medication fit turn to sickness for am. And I left his office without, in fact, I gave up mounting pressure on him, and I left, and I am living with my faith. You get? So when you see people in their 50s, 60s taking lots of supplements in the name of they want to glow, it will aid anti-aging, it will, like, does it make any sense? And when you tell them about seeing a doctor before, there will these people, they are so, gosh, they will be the one to tell you what there is no reason why you should see a doctor because these are mere supplements, right? These are, I'll be back. Sorry, I was so hungry. I had to go get myself something to eat. So these women that are so desperate in aging backward, don't get me wrong, there is nothing wrong in aging or wishing or trying to age backwards. But I feel like at that age you should be more concerned about your health and less attention to your, while taking care of your physical appearance is very important and is okay. Any child will be proud of their parents who is still trying to look good and look presentable, right? So, and I think at that age you should be concerned about your health, and whatever is good for your health is what should be good for your appearance. Looking dirty is out of this. Looking unkept is out of this. But taking supplements, because supplements without doctors, what's it called? Prescription, because you want to age backward, it's insane. Because you, assuming you're diabetic and or something, some of these sicknesses that comes with age, right? And you're taking a certain medication, without your doctor's knowledge? What if this medication is interfering with the treatment for this diabetes? How would you know? How would you know? I think when you want to age backward, you should be particular about your health, um, cleanliness. Just be clean as you're aging. Just be clean and try to look to appear presentable, not to look forever 16. That's not the goal. Even if physically you're looking forever 16, internally, you know, when you were quite younger, what did you do looking so good? Like, what did you do that you did not do well that you want to age backward now to go and achieve that? What exactly is that? Please. And let's monitor our parents and see what they try to do in order to look younger, and see what they take. Let's ensure that they are taking the right medication and they are on the right path. Supplements is not a bad thing. Is good for the system, but I think any reasonable human being, whatever you are taking, even what you apply on your skin, not just whatever you take in, should be prescribed by a physician. Okay, so let's just be guarded and stay